Hey guys, Mrs. Chalk here. Hopefully we're going to, I'm not going to make this video too long, but we are going to cover two lessons, okay? We're going to cover two lessons. So let me open up the slideshow. You need your binders. So if you don't have your binders, pause this video. You must take notes. Okay, let's get started. We're going to hide this over here. And I need my pen. Okay, so we've already been working on volume, and we've done volume of prisms. Now we're going to do the volume of a rectangle pyramid and the volume of a triangular pyramid. Let's start with the rectangular pyramid. Again, all of these things, there's a formula for that. If you would just take a moment, write down the formula, and then plug in the values, it's really not that hard. A rectangular pyramid has a rectangular base. So B is your normal base times height. Now remember, a pyramid has one base, just one. The height of the pyramid can be measured from the vertex straight down. So it's almost like you drop a piece of rope straight down from the point, and that's going to be your vertex, okay? And it forms a right angle with the base. It does not follow the length, okay? So if you look at a pyramid, I want to show you this. And then we come up here, 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 and here. These sides right here, not the height. These sides are not the height. The height is going to be this straight line going down from the V. And the formula, now this is a crazy formula, is 1/3 of the big B. What's big B again? Answer that question. Okay, 1/3 of big B times height. Okay, and I hope you said that big B is the area of the base. Okay, so let's try some problems. Here we go. Let me get my face out of the way. Get that face out of the way. Okay. Use your understanding of volume to determine big B, the area of the base, then calculate the volume. So big B is the area of the base. So that's going to be 3.5 times 8. Okay. So when I have 3.5 times 8, that's going to equal 28 centimeters squared. Now volume, remember, volume is 1/3 of big B times height. Now when you see 1/3, don't freak out about that. That's just like dividing by 3. It's not as hard as you think. It's basically dividing by 3. And I'll show you what I mean. So 1/3 of big B times the height. What's my height? Right here. See how this line is just dropped down from the middle? This is not the height. I'm telling you, they're going to put in what we call distractors and try to tell you that's the height, and it's not the height, okay? So times 13. And so let's do this over here because I want to do it with you. 28 times 13 is 24, 2, 6, 7, 8, 0, 8, 2, 4, 16, 3, 64. But now 1/3 just means divide by 3. That's all that means. 1/3 of something is just dividing it by 3. Just like 1/2 is dividing by 2, 1/3 is dividing by 3. So I'm going to take 364 and I'm going to divide by 3. And I'm going to say it's 1, 3, 0. Then bring it down. 6, 2 equals 6, 0. Bring it down. And 1, right? And then we put a 3. We have 1 left. So we have 1 out of the 3 left. So it's 121 and 1/3. Now, because we added in another measurement, we're going to go centimeters cubed. Okay? Let's just do one more together, and then we're going to move to a triangular pyramid. Okay? So here we go. The base is going to be a 12 by 12. So 12 times 12. And that's going to equal 144 centimeters cubed. Or centimeters squared. Sorry about that. And then the volume is going to be 1/3 of 144 times 18. Now, you could take 1/3 of any of these. Like I could just take 1/3 of 18. Then I end up with only doing 144 times 6. Because I did 1/3 of 18. And that left me with 6. So now I have 24, 2, 24, 25, 26, 2, 6, 7, 8. So I get 864 centimeters cubed. Okay? Okay, so now what I want you to do, now that you know how to do that, I don't want you to worry about the other stuff. I want you to move to volume of a triangle pyramid. So it's our next lesson, volume of a triangle pyramid. So now it's the triangular one. And we got to move my face again. Move your face. There we go. A triangular pyramid has a triangular base. So B is 1/2 of base times height. How many bases does it have? I hope you said that there's only one base. Be careful not to confuse the height of the triangle base with the height of the pyramid. And I'll show you how to see that difference. So the formula is, it's basically the same formula. Okay, the formula is 1/2 of 1/3 of big B times H. 1/3 of big B times H. So let's do it. The base is right here. Let me see if we get this. Here's our base. So our base is a 3 by 4. So it's 1/2 of base times height. Remember that? 1/2 of 4 times 3. Now again, you could do 1/2 of 4. And that's going to be 2. And then times 3. So it equals 6. Or you could have said 4 times 3, which is 12, and then half of that. Divide by 2. Okay, so now we're going to do 1/3 of big B times the height. Okay, now I want you to see right here, they gave you a distractor. We never use the 5, do we? Never use the 5. So they were distracting you. Okay, so here we go. 1/3 of big B times the height, which is 7. Now, it's easy to take 1/3 of 6. What is 1/3 of 6? Did you get 2? I hope so. So if you got 2, then all you have is 2 times 7, which is 14. Oh, and this should have been centimeters squared, and this is centimeters cubed. Okay? Okay, we're getting this. We're going to do one more, And then you're going to have a pixel art so you can practice it on your own. See, it was okay to get 2 notes in one. It's not too bad. Now look, they're giving you a distractor again. Are we going to use that 17? Absolutely not. We're going to use the 8 and the 15. Okay, that's going to be my area of the base. 1/2 of 8 times 15. Now I'm going to take 1/2 of 8. And so over here, I'm going to go 15 times 4. That's a lot easier. So that would be 60. 60 centimeters squared. So now down here, I'm going to take 1/3 of 60 and then times the height. This is the height coming down here, and it makes a right triangle with the what? The height makes a right triangle with the base. You're right. Okay, so that would be 21. Now, 1/3 of 60 is easy. That's just 20. So now we have 20 times 21. A faster way of doing that is 21 times 2, and then we'll add the 0 back in. So 2, 4, and then add the 0 back in. So 420 centimeters cubed. Okay, that's all your notes. Now you get to work on some pixel art and see if you can apply this. Okay? Okay, thank you.